Hello there! In this quick guide, we will cover how to clear the app cache, how to clear browsing cookies, quick tips for managing your TV's internal memory. To optimize memory, go to Settings. Click on the Settings gear icon again. And navigate to Support. Then, tap on Memory Optimizer and click Start. This will optimize your TV's memory. To clear your cookies and cache, open your browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data and clear your cookies and browsing history. This should clear all your cached data. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Want to show some extra love? Hit that thanks button. Additionally, you can also read the detailed article on this topic on our website. Link is in the description below.